working, I'm just working. I'm not on Wolfpack.
Well, I mean, you'd be on the enemy team.
Well, the thing is, like, every time you guys try to hire me, I'm always, like, in a contract basically with someone else, the quad. So.
Okay, I see 2 bids in squad. Or actually, that might be a kick bot.
Wait, that quad is like dual bin shots.
Who changed the message? What does that even mean?
It's a hangover reference.
Oh. Is that...
That's why I had that Alan from the Hangover emblem up.
Yeah, I guess it would have made a lot more sense if that emblem was a... I don't know, Yo, I got that quad, don't worry about it.
Dude, I'm shooting across the map, they did not expect this.
Kick bot has CE shield, be careful.
Alright, yeah, that won't be a problem.
Yeah, that quad doesn't block out rifles. So
I will tear up that shield real fast if it comes over.
Alright, we got a lightweight over there. Hey, can you guys pretend to move forwards on the left side, and I'm gonna move up on the right side? Okay. I've got the flank. You guys can push forwards now, they're looking at me.
Dude, I'm taking a bunch of fucking health off him. That guy's trying to run up.
Back dark. You don't want to die.
Yeah, let's back him up.
It's pretty messy, so where's that? Because this guy's hurt. Dark behind you. Actually, watch it.
I'm getting torn up.
Watch it. I think that's the EVR guy.
No, I'm getting torn up by this lightweight.
Take this on here. Watch it.
Trying to get him off yet.
85.
They're all on you.
Yeah.
System combat mode.
Okay, you guys got him over there 3v2. I've got 2 quads over here. I'm
D5 right over to dark. And 1 right over to dark as well.
They're flanking me, dude.
I'm going to get torn up. I'm going to die.
Where are you?
I'm all the way back.
What's the problem?
He has a UV gun and PMG. I mean, he machine guns, Jupiters.
Oh, I'm getting hit by towers now. That hurt.
Okay, 85, don't take him out. Come back off over to 85.
Yeah, I mean, he's the kickbot, but he has a gun that can kill me.
Alright, that's super low.
KK on
The Dark Watch right here. And 1 over here is not looking so hot either.
I gotta repair up that man with his claw because he is super weak to KE.
Yeah. Kill right here.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, no, it's not. What did I just get hit by?
Probably my DDT, I guess. Okay, right here. Heavyweight.
Down, but I got a K shield out.
3K right now. 85 behind you. Yeah, it's He just has his got a shield out. He should be dead. Nice, good shit.
Damn it. I think he's lagging out.
We have 10K, 26K. How are you guys doing? 85, you need to tank with these dudes.
Yo, to your right, above you.
How you doing? Oh, over here.
Dude, I almost got the other one, but he's two.
Good shit. Well, back way the fuck off, circle around, get behind 55.
Yeah, I'm going to do. That's for radio.
Snipers right over here. Be careful. This guy is literally only has VTS left. Still has 15 shots.
Yo, Brouhaha, grab the...
Did he die? That was fucking amazing.
Got him.
Alright, just lump him. Go for it.
Sound, you keep running and stay alive. If you can, go for him. Yo, he's got snipers, so don't take any chances. You're 1 hit away.
much better than rifles right now. So, 85.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Rush him. I got a K shield up.
yeah, same here. Swapping out the stalwarts. Put that shield away and get into cover.
Yeah, run, Sam.
The 17K. You can take
Actually, you can pick up the sub target because he seems like he's busy.
Probably got way longer range.
Yeah, pick up the sub targets while I deal with him. He's full on the end. Let him.
Yeah, go grab a sub target, Sound. He's being very cheesy. Oh, take cover, run back. You guys need to stick together.
Yeah, 85 cover. 85 cover. Really low. You need to focus together.
Yeah, grab a.
Pull back up here. Get the target lead. Oh, it's a tie now. Just pull back.
Oh, here he comes.
You need to go in. Both of you need to go in now or never. Yeah. I'm slow. No, that's alright. Take shield if you have it.
I have nothing left. Yeah, I think the shape got blown off.
I'm almost out of ammo, dude.
Go in.
Got him again. He should be low.
Good hit.
Oh, fuck.
You still got. Okay, make him wait, but don't let him grab a box. Make him wait. You got a KE shield, but he's got those laser rifles. If anything, just when you see him charging that laser rifle, just take cover.
So the sniper's out. No, mind you, the sniper and
He's got laser out. He's got laser. Take cover.
charging it.
No way he's gonna hit me on him. I got the 350. I know he don't. I know he got the 250.
He can still free fire.
At least split. He's got 8 shots left on both of his things.
Nice.
Told you, I got the range here. So he's gonna exploit that if he can.
So he's coming right in on you. He's charging shit though. Oh my god, watch it. If you win this, I'm gonna be so impressed. Careful. Oh my god. Be for real
Oh,
right now.
those fucking subs, man. Fucking me up. I only got
does,
fucking.
yeah.
I have like nothing left.
All you gotta do is stay alive, bro.
Get low.
One, 4 shots
one bullet.
Sniper, and 3 of them are in the shield on him.
You can do this, Sam.
Yeah, I'm doing stay alive.
Oh no! How did that miss?
He doesn't know. He doesn't know, dude.
He doesn't know.
Stay back.
Get range, pull out the thing, and scare him, maybe.
Actually, I think you should have kept that one shot in the bluff.
Ooh.
Oh, he's charged. No, he's not.
Yeah.
I'll walk onto that box.
Block. You see him go.
What the
Oh my god, Sarah, talk.
Shit. Coming for you.
Just play ring around the rosy.
You're
Dual
down.
snipers. Disrupted dual snipers.
Don't have any.
You don't have a shield anymore?
Yeah, I'm out.
Just stay alive. Just stay alive.
I created the shield, that's why.
You got 2 minutes to stay alive.
What does he got left on him?
I've had a cigarette in my hand this whole time. Burned my finger.
You've always done that. You're fucking metal.
I know, right?
Wait,
You got
for radio.
Run.
Watch
There
it.
you go.
Good job. Good job.
Oh, he went for the weak shot. I'm not sure if that would have done anything.
That might have took the shield off.
Yeah. Wait. So does he act?
Just stay on your side until he comes at you. Oh, he's going for the box. Go for the kick. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, fuck.
Harass him.
Oh my god, I kicked right back into bounds out of the tower.
It's fucking metal. Get back.
Yeah, if he breaks it, I'm gonna grab it.
That'd be a good idea.
Are there any others that are broken?
Coming in. Watch it.
Oh, God.
Watch out. Oh, God.
Oh my god.
Oh, my God. Sound, you're so good.
Dude, holy fuck.
You got 55 seconds. You got...
I gotta make him think I'm scary though, so he don't just fucking go to town.
Oh, he's a heavyweight. Fuck, I
Yeah,
didn't
just-
realize
Just pace, relax. Yeah. 42 seconds, dude.
Yeah, you got 40 seconds left. clock, dude.
Yep, it's about to call 30, so he's gonna go crazy. Plus.
Oh, man.
Are you actually
He's
trying
already
to clock
going
something
crazy.
out? He's gonna get the box.
30 seconds left.
Nice! Oh shit! I got that on video. Oh,
Oh my god.
that was amazing.
The clutch. The clutch. Nothing no GG well played.
Oh, dude, you will play right now.
Sound of silence on the new team. You're gonna be like my first lieutenant, second in command, whatever the fuck you want to call it. My main wingman. That was amazing.
Back with the
That was
good.
amazing.
You missed it.
I knew they wasn't gonna expect that range though. That was so beautiful.
Yeah, so I kind of got murdered by Davis because he was like,
So you
oh,
was
he's
reporting
machine
that,
gun.
right?
Yeah, you pretty much dominated them yourself. 3 kills, including a kick in 32 seconds remaining. Or
That was fucking brilliant to watch.
I wasn't letting him get. I thought he was really gonna kick me, but I was like, if he gets that, it's over anyways.
True. Dude, sometimes it takes that kind of tactic. Go for it.
who was that at the end, anyways?
For radio.
Barredial? Alright.
Yeah, he already hanged me